Taiwanese electronics manufacturing company Acer has now entered the electric vehicle market. Acer was mainly selling laptops till now, but now it has launched a new electric scooter in India. The name of this electric scooter is Movie 125 4G and its ex-showroom price has been kept at 99,999 rupees. The work of designing and manufacturing this e-scooter for Acer is done by an urban mobility startup called Think Ebikigo. For this, a license agreement has been signed in which this Mumbai startup will make 2- and 3-wheeler electric vehicles for Acer, not for the general public. The company has said that this electric scooter is custom built and will be used for food delivery as well as grocery delivery. It will be used for business to business, that is, currently it is being prepared only for businesses like Swiggy Zomato. The company says that the Acer Movie 125 4G is suitable for state subsidies and comes with a swappable battery system. Competition with Hail and Ether. The Indian vehicle market where Acer has entered is already dominated by many other companies like Ola Electric and Ather Energy. Ola Electric is already selling many new electric vehicles in the market, while Ather has also strengthened its hold in the market. Apart from this, TVS and Hero Electric are also selling well. Now it's only a matter of time to reveal how much success Acer's entry into the electric scooter segment is going to bring.